time. They worked with Wildlife Conservation Society this time. FabFitFun quarterly seasonal box. It is $50, $49.99. You get all kinds of stuff. All kinds. So, this is the magazine that I'm gonna read to you what we got out of here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, there was a lot of things that you could pick this time, and I feel like I picked something, but I don't know what it was. So, we'll see. Okay, let's get into this baby. They always have like the cutest little stickers and stuff. Like, look, it's a strawberry. You can't see it. I'll show it to you after I rip this thing out. Okay. We got a lot of stuff. Okay. Okay, the first thing that I'm seeing is this here. And it is an exercise band. Let's see. It is the Maji Sport Loop Resistance Band. Tighten and tone that summer bod. This band will add a challenge to any workout that targets the abs, biceps, legs, and back muscles. $15. Tip, it's portable so you can take it with you to any outdoor workout. Okay, cool. Resistance bands. Oh, okay, that's hard. Yeah, we'll stretch it out a little bit. Okay. The next thing that I see in this huge box of stuff is this. And I am excited because I am a pasty white ghost and I need all of the help that I can get. This is Kula Face Sport SPF 50 White Tea Moisturizer. This SPF 50 sunscreen doubles as a moisturizer. Its 80-minute water-resistant formula is made with 70% organic ingredients so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. Tip, it's $32. Wow, you're expensive. Okay. $32. Tip, allow 15 minutes before sun exposure and immediately after swimming, sweating, or towel drying. Okay. I'm excited. Yeah, this is definitely gonna come into good use because you should always be using sunscreen all of the time. Hey, the next thing I see is this Pier 1 Imports. Oh, it's a little, that's pretty with the marble and the gold. Pier 1 Imports Marble Ring Dish. Use this dish as a perfect catch-all for rings, keys, or loose change. This timeless marble design is golden, and golden trim will glam up any part of your home. $14.99. Place near kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing dishes. That's the tip. I think I actually have a really good place for this. Interesting. Okay, the next thing I see in here is this ring. Earth to EO ring. 14 karat gold plated ring features 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls set in classic and modern design. $55? Oh my gosh. That's a lot. That's pretty. I feel like my fingers are kind of swollen. Had some salt. Yeah, it's nice. It's pretty. I don't know what finger you wear this on. Any finger? I don't know. Maybe this one. Sure. Yeah, it's pretty. And then it gives you a little thing for care. It just says not to, like, basically don't get it super wet because it'll wear it or whatever. Okay, the next thing I see is this Almay Papaya Enzyme Peel, Advanced Skincare. Okay, let's read what you are. This rinse off cream is made with exfoliating papaya, nourishing milk protein, and nourishing vitamin E that works together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. It's $45. Apply the peel to clean towel dried skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It will feel like heavy cream, not like a standard mask, and can be rinsed off with lukewarm water. Okay, sounds good. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is this. This is the Tarte Pro Glow. So you could have gotten this or the Tarte Pro To Go palette and Sex Kitten liquid liner. I'm not gonna lie, I would have rather had that. Just throwing that out there. But this is what the palette looks like. It comes with little mirrors. It looks like there's 4 highlights of powder contour and a cream. This is a cream contour. I just don't need, I have about 1 million contour palettes, so I don't highlight nor do I contour that much, but you know, it is what it is. Tarte is a really good product. Some of the makeup stuff in FabFitFun isn't necessarily my favorite, but you know, you get what you get. So, you know, really good palette. I mean, it's just, I may or may not keep this. This is really heavy. Like, this packaging is super nice. Okay, with 6 pigmented powder and cream shades, this perfect kit for creating glowing and chiseled looks that will take you from day to night. $45. It's more than a contour. Use shades to fill your brows or as shimmery eyeshadows. Yeah, the highlights in here were really pretty for eyeshadows as well. So moving right along. Okay, this is the biggest thing in the box, so let's just pull this out. This is Summer and Rose beach towel. We collaborated with Rocky Barnes to create these oversized towels that are made from microfiber and the sand won't stick. So grab your bestie and it's time to sunbathe. $55. $55 for a freaking beach towel? Are you kidding? Bro, what? Okay. It's not just for the beach. Take it out for a picnic or for a movie night under the stars. Okay. I mean, this beach towel better be like the best ever. Because $55, that's a lot. Okay, it's super soft. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's 39 inches by 70 inches. That's a pretty huge towel. I'm not gonna unroll it because I will never get it back this size, but it's really nice and it seems to be huge. So there's 2 colors that you could get if you can see this. I got this one so I don't have to completely unroll it. That's really pretty. And then, or you could get this one with the pineapples. Either one is really nice. And this was a choice and I don't remember making this choice. Maybe I did, but, or you could have gotten this, one of these makeup bags. All right, last thing in the box. And I saw this, but I'm curious what, oh look, I got a pink one, cool. Foreo Luna Fofo Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. All right, guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on the Foreo newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and an advanced skin sensor to create a totally personalized profile, which is set straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. This thing is $89. Tip: avoid clay or grainy cleansers as they may damage the silicone touch points. Okay. Let's look at this thing because this thing is crazy. So I gotta get an app, I assume. smells like, it smells kind of like eucalyptus, kind of. Ooh. What the? This thing comes on. What is this? Okay, here's this page here. What the hell is this? Okay. Remove all your makeup, wet face, and apply your cleanser to the Luna Fofo. Turn the device on by holding the button for 3 seconds. Cleanse in circular movements in cheeks, forehead, glide up and down the nose. Guide you. It will pause to tell you when to move on to the next area of your face. Rinse your skin and continue with your normal skincare. Track it all on the Foreo app. This box is worth over like 300 bucks. Like 350? That's a lot. Okay, so over 300 for the box, and for this little thing, I don't know about this thing, but it's cute, and it kind of has like a little face on it to me, and it lights up. So I'll wash my face with it and let you know. Did I miss anything? Oh, I got a straw. This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. I guess wildlife thing comes in. Okay, that's it. FabFitFun summer box, over $350 worth of stuff. That is crazy. Yeah. I'm excited about this. I don't know what we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna get the app or something and try to do something. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Let me know if you like unboxings or if you got FabFitFun, if you got something different. If you got this, but if you got a different color, let me know what color you got. There's a lot of colors in there. I'm pretty happy with the pink. That's really cute. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.